Hello guys, welcome back. So now in this video we will work on this. If suppose if the user will click on this cheeseburger, or if the user will click on this burger. This is spelling mistake guys, sorry guys, it is for quickly. And if the cheeseburger, let's say for example, if the user click on this, so we have to send user to the same menu for this cheeseburger, where we will display another burgers options, varieties and options, cheeseburger, non-veg burger, the another type of. So here this is the menu, and if the user click on this, and this is from this restaurant, this is the restaurant Sagi Skills, and this restaurant providing all these foods. So if for example, if user click on this cheeseburger, so we will send user to the same page where we are displaying the all other burgers. I hope you understand, you will understand what when we will work on it. So let's do it. So first of all, on the lib, so not lib, just come here, upload screen, here this one. So here right click on this upload screen folder and new, and this dot file, and here let's give name items underscore upload screen. This is the name of our file. Press enter. Now let's copy paste something from here. Just copy from menu upload screen, click on it, and copy all whole code, the full file, this from up to here at the end. So Control A. So now let's copy, come to the upload item upload screen, and here paste it, and we will change here according to our needs here. So now we will change this class name here, as you can see here, upload screen. So now select it, right click, and then refactor and rename. And here we have to say, let's say item upload screen and refactor. Now as you can see all the change here, item upload screen, item upload screen. So now let's change other things. Come here below and you will see this app bar. Inside this app bar we have here upload screen. So here we will say upload items, and after this come below, and here upload menu, upload, say here upload items. So yeah, so as you know guys here, so let's when the user will click on this menu, so we will send the same page where the items available related to this menu. For example, cheeseburger, this is the menu. If the user will click on this cheeseburger menu, so we will display the another screen where all the food items from this cheeseburger menu available. So now for this, come here to the, we have here one design and display restaurant, this one, this file. So double click on it, and now here you will see inkwell on the design and display restaurant. Here you will see this design and display restaurant. So here inkwell we have to say on tap, and here inside this navigator dot push context, and root will be material page root, material page root, and now where we have to send user, here we have to define that. So as you know guys, here for example, this is the burger. Okay, burger on panda, this is the, if the user will click on it, so we have to send user the same menu page, same menus, items. For example, we don't want like if a user click on it and we are sending to all the menus items, so it will be complicated, we user will not understand which menu from which restaurant. So we have to send user specific menu items page. So for example, this menu, if a user will click on it, so we have to send user to the same menu page we are displaying from this menu. Okay, so for that we have to create one file first. So come here and here, all screens. So here right click on this and new and dart file, and here you can say items underscore screen. Let's import material dot and the stateful visit, and here we will say items screen, and here we will add app bar inside this. So to display app bar, first of all let's change it to the scaffold. Now here we will do the same thing as we did in our home screen. As you can see guys, click on this. So let's close this, click on it, home screen, and you will see here we have this app bar. This is the app bar where we are putting this add menu icon. This is the restaurant name and this is the drawer. So same things we will apply on this item screen also. So for that, let's copy paste this app bar from the home screen. So we are on home screen now, and here you will see this app bar. So minimize it, copy it, copy, come back to the item upload screen, no sorry, no item screen, sorry, and inside this item screen, okay, and inside this return scaffold here, so just paste it here, open it, we will change something here. So now let's click on this shared preference, import it, and as well as here upload screen, and we will do some changes later on. So for now just import like this on the item screen, and we are copying this app bar from the home screen. So now let's complete this, come to the upload screen, item upload screen. uh, Guys, keep in mind which screen we are working, otherwise you will copy paste wrong code on wrong place from the wrong file. So just carefully see, this is the item screen here where we are pasting our this app bar, and from where we copy this from the home screen. Now we will work on item upload screen, and here this is our item upload screen. Let's complete this. So this is item screen, this is our item screens, and this is item upload screen. Okay guys, both are different. Items upload screen and this is the item screens. So here now we will work on this design and displaying restaurant. So click on it. So here this is the incomplete, as you know we left here a few minutes ago. So now here we have to send user items screen. and inside this we have to pass some parameters as we are getting the uh, menus from here. This is the model class, and now here as you can see we have here model, so we have to pass it here. So let's see, let's give name model, and colon visit dot models, and put semicolon at the end. And here as you can see this is the wrong here, just remove this, and like this, put 1 3 here, this parenthesis. So now let's access this in the item screen here. So come here and above here, so here after this let's say menus final menus model, give the same name which you are passing here, this the same name model, and just remove this, and let's see item screen constructor this, and this dot model, and here required, and this is the wrong name because we are passing is menu model. This is our model class, this is the menu model, like this. Now as you can see here on the design displaying restaurant, it's showing still error because come here, and in the item screen we can see here question mark, and then remove this. Now as you can see error has gone. Just simply add this question mark on the item screens and remove this required keyword, and here puts this question mark, it's for null safety. And in the item screens you will see this is the error because here we forget to put semicolon. Now all error has gone. So now if we hot reload and if we click on this, just simply remove. So if I click on this cheeseburger, as you can see we are on this item screen, this one where we have same this. If I click on this, so if I click on this one, so let's click on it. So it's sending us to this screen where we will display all the items from this menu, for example this is the menu. If I click on this menu, so here we will display all the foods. I hope you understand now. So now let's work on this item screen. So here this is your item screen, it's empty now. So if I click here, so for example this is the menu for burger, this is the cheeseburger. So if I click here, so we will display here first of all the heading like the our menus, our foods item or something like that. So here first of all in the header, so we will display heading here for this. So for that come here, just minimize this app bar, and we are on item screen. Okay guys, this is the item screen. So now after this we will say body and single scroll child view, sorry, this is the custom, not single, custom scroll view. And here syllabus, here inside this syllabus persistent header. So syllabus persistent header, and here delegates, and here let's say pin true, and delegates put here to clone like this, pin true, delegate text visit. So here, as you know, guys, first of all, before continuing this, as we are using sliver persistent header, and it has these parameters, delegates. So for that, we have to create our separate class reusable code for this. You will understand what I mean actually, because as you know, let me show you here. This is our menu heading. So this code we will display, I mean this text we will display in the restaurant application, customer application, as well as rider application also. So let's make this text heading reusable. So for that, what we have to do, right click on this all screen, new dot file, let's say text underscore visit head heading. You can give this name, and here import material dot, and let's say stateless visit stateless, and let's say text visit heading. So yeah, we have created this now, and remove this const constructor. And as you know guys, we are here, you will see here item, we are using sliver this persistent delegates. So here we will say extend with sliver persistent header. So now as you can see, here is underline, red underline error. It's saying we have our method missing. So if you click on it, this red button, and here first you see this header delegates, this one, make sure change this sliver persistent header delegates. Now if you click on it, and it will show you create the missing override. So click on it, and here as you can see, it has been created here. So here let's remove this. First of all, let's say here 50, and here also let's say 50. And here the last one, this one, just remove this from here, this one, and here let's say true. So here as you can see build, so here we have to say double shrink shrink offsets comma bool overlaps content. So yeah, let's design this. Now this is screen, I mean this text widget, design this heading. So for that, just click on it, container, and wrap with visit, and let's say inkwell, and child will be this container. Now let's decorate this container. So decoration, box decoration, and let's say directly color colors dot, let's say this green, light green, and then let's say the child will be inkwell again, and child text and text, and here you can say food, or you can say menu items, style, text style, colors dot white, and then font size, let's say 22, and font weight dot bold. So yeah, we have click on it anywhere, add a constant modifier uh, here, and now let's define the screen, define the size of this container. So here height will be, let's say 70, and width will be media query dot of context dot width, dot width, dot size dot width. So whatever the size of the screen, it will adjust accordingly. So yeah, and here after this bold size, this text style, after this text style you can say max line 2, and obviously we will not write like this. So from here let's define this. So here, because we will use this in all files, we will not write by ourselves, we will just pass title. So here you can say string title, and let's pass this title here, title, and put exclamation. And sorry, first come here, just make constructor of it. So here you can say text visit heading, this dot title, put semicolon at the end, and here title and comma, and it's showing error because here we have this const. So remove this and click on it here. So now let's pass this in our this item screen, this whole code. So here you can say in the delegates now text visit heading. So here after this put to sign and say title, and title will be our plus visit dot model dot dot menu title dot to string, and put this semicolon at the end, and here after this model put exclamation like this, and it's showing error, put here comma, not semicolon. So I hope you see all this. If you break this from here from true, you will see it like this. So we are passing this here serial persistent header print true delegates, and this is the class we have defined, and title will be our this will be showing our text, and after this visit. From the menu title, whatever the user select, it will display the menu title for the same specific items. And now let's add the drawer also. So after this app bar, so here drawer, my drawer, this one, drawer screen. So now if you open this app bar, we have here this icon, add post. So if the user will click on it, so we have to send user, and instead of this upload screen, here we have to say item screen, item upload screen, and here we have to pass inside this, we have to pass, here we have to say model visit dot model, and we have to access this in our item upload screen. So come to the item upload screen here, and here have to say final menu model to model, and here just remove this, let's say item upload screen this dot model, put semicolon at the end. Now if you come to the item screen and remove this const, and make sure guys, just keep in mind which screen we are working, because you may it make me you the little confusion, item screen, item upload screen, this design and display, home screen, drawer screen. So keep in mind on which screen we are working. So this is item screen here. So now run application, we will see it how it's working or not. So now if I click on here any menu, let's click on this, and as you can see this is the cheeseburger heading is showing, and we will make it center later on. And if we click here on this icon, so it's sending us to the upload screen again, and if we upload any item it will display there. We will continue this in the next video. Bye bye.